Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a milkshake for baby. First, select soft, ripe fruits like banana or avocado. You'll also need whole milk and a small amount of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Make sure all your ingredients are fresh and at room temperature to avoid shocking your baby's system. This simple combination provides essential nutrients and a delightful texture for your little one. To begin, peel and chop about 1/2 cup of your chosen ripe fruit. Place the fruit into your blender. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of whole milk and add 1 tablespoon of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth. Check for any small pieces of fruit to ensure it's safe and easy for your baby to swallow. Once blended, pour the milkshake into a small, clean cup or offer it with a spoon. It's best to serve this fresh, so prepare it just before feeding. Always stay with your baby while they are eating to prevent choking hazards. Remember, a baby's digestive system is delicate, so discard any uneaten portions after about 1 hour to maintain freshness and safety. Enjoy watching your little one explore new flavors. You can easily customize your baby's milkshake by trying different soft fruits. Consider mango, cooked sweet potato, or even a few steamed peas for a savory twist. For a hint of warmth, a tiny pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg can be a delightful addition. Always introduce new ingredients one at a time to monitor for any allergies. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This allows you to expand your baby's palate safely and enjoyably, making mealtime an exciting adventure for both of you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.